Welcome back for my final daily analysis video with me, Richard, Market Analyst at Hantec on Tuesday, 15th of December. Moving on to the DAX, which is still struggling for traction. It's still very choppy on an intraday basis, lacking real conviction either way. These equity markets have just stalled a little bit. Well, certainly the DAX has in the recovery in recent weeks. And yeah, the DAX is just, I mean, it held up above, it moved back above what essentially is a near-term pivot now, around 13,160. Held that level yesterday and just sort of above that. And you'd still say trading above that pivot line, which shows up fairly well on the 4-hour chart here, you're still maintaining essentially a mildly positive bias to this chart, but it's not really any real conviction that you've got. And you had a resistance that came in yesterday around the 13,293 area, which you could argue sort of continues a lower high scenario going on there if it remains in place as resistance. So you need to overcome that on a near-term basis. Let's do on the hourly chart and then zoom out a little bit. You can see that you've got these lower highs in place now, but essentially it's sort of trading around moving averages, which all intents and purposes fairly flat. You sort of have momentum, which is again not really doing a great deal on RSI between 60 and 40, just ticking a bit higher this morning with an early rally. But essentially we're still fairly neutral on the DAX, and as I said on the daily chart, pretty much choppy range bound over the past few weeks, lacking real determination to drive either way. We're pretty much mid-range now. So yeah, a positive close today would obviously help to improve the outlook a little bit. And as I said, there is a basis of a pivot support at 13,160. You'd want to hold above that, certainly on a closing basis. When you start to lose that as a basis of support, you then start to think about testing the lows of the range, which is essentially around 13,000. So we're still slightly positive, but lacking real traction, I think, on DAX, and need some conviction to have a decisive trend formation, and we're not getting that at the moment. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos, go to our website, sign up for our webinars, and click to watch Trader Talks, our videos that give you top trading ideas.